Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a good weekend. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for supporting my channel. And to all our new viewers and those recently subscribed, thank you and welcome to my channel. I've done a number of videos talking about the Australian Kookaburra coins issued by the Perth Mint. If you have not watched that, I'll leave the links to those videos at the end of this video. So today I'll be talking about an earlier release of the Kookaburra coin by the Royal Australian Mint, which was issued in 1989. And it's this coin over here. But before we take a closer look at this coin, please leave me a like if you enjoy this sort of content, and don't forget to share and subscribe. So let's get into it. Alright, so what we have here is a $10 silver coin issued by the Royal Australian Mint for their Birds of Australia series. This series was started in 1986 and it was completed in 1994. There were a total of 6 coins issued for the series, and this is the first one, the Kookaburra coin. Let's take a closer look at the box before I open it up. And no, I did not pay this price for this particular coin. Alright, the Kookaburra coin is presented in this very beautiful folder. This particular folder here, as you can see, is not in the best of condition. Already showing some staining. I guess that's to be expected. This coin is already more than 40 years old. Inside we can see the coin and a certificate of authenticity. Let's take a quick look at the COA first. Here's the front of the certificate. And we have the specifications on the back. And on the inside you can see that the COA is numbered. I have 3585. And here's just a short description of the series. Okay. The coin is housed in this, I would say, a sleeve. And let me just take it out so we can have a closer look at it. Here's a closer look at the coin. The surface is highly reflective. It's in proof. So again, I got to be careful not to do a face reveal. Let me just quickly run through the specifications. These coins were minted in 925 sterling silver. It has a weight of 20 grams, a diameter of 34 millimeter, and a thickness of 2.55 millimeter with a reader edge. Here on the obverse, we have the third portrait of the Queen by Raphael David McClure. As usual, we can see his initials are the M over here at the base of the neck. And the legend surrounding the portrait is Elizabeth II, Australia, 1989. On the reverse, we have the design by Horst Hahn, the famous designer of the Aboriginal elder, on the Australian $2 circulating coins. We can see the design of 2 kookaburras perched on a tree branch, and the only inscription on the reverse is the face value of the coin, $10. Let me just zoom in so you guys can have a closer look. We can see the initials of the designer, HH, right over here. You will see the same initials on the first 2 circulating $2 Australian coins on the reverse of the coins. this coin is quite stunning. There was a mintage of 50,000 for this Kookaburra coin, and this first issue has the highest mintage of the series. Along with these silver-proof coins, the Royal Australian Mint also issued pipefork coins, which weighed 40 grams and had similar design to these proof coins. These pipefork coins were issued in unison with all the 6 coins of the series. They were presented in a slightly different folder, which contained a separate box for the coin. I won't talk much about the pipefork coins, other than they have the similar design to these coins. But we'll move next and take a quick look at all the other coins that were issued for the series. I don't actually have them, but I'll show you the pictures of the coins, which you have seen at the introduction of this video. Okay, as I mentioned just now, the first coin of the Birds of Australia series released by the Royal Australian Mint is the Kookaburra coin. This was followed in 1990 by the sulfur-crested cockatoo coin, but these coins are commonly known as the white cockatoos. The third coin of the series, released in 1991, is the Jabiru. This bird is known as the black-necked stork, or also called as the policeman bird in Australia. The fourth issue of the series, released the following year in 1992, is the Emperor Penguin. And in 1993, we have the Palm Cockatoo. This coin has the lowest mintage of the series, and there was also especially a privy mark version known as the Palm Cockatoo UNEP Privy. UNEP standing for the United Nations Environment Programme. 1,000 of these specially privy mark coins were issued as proof in a different clamshell case. The final coin of the series, released in 1994, was the wedge-tailed eagle, and this brought the series to an end. Before I end this video, let me just share with you my final thoughts. These Kookaburra coins here are quite difficult to find, and they do tend to hold quite a high premium. I was actually very fortunate to find this particular coin from a local seller here in Singapore, and the seller offered me this coin at quite a reasonable price. The recent eBay sold listings for coins that have been listed and sold see them combining a price of between 40 to 60 Singapore dollars. Graded coins in proof cameo by NGC or PCGS command a price of above $100. So they're actually quite expensive. However, I do think these coins are very beautifully designed and very well presented. And if you do come across these coins at a reasonable deal, I think that they should make a very nice addition to your silver collection. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, and you should consult with one before you make such decision. This video here is just for entertainment purposes. Well, with that out of the way, I guess that's going to do it for this quick video on this Kookaburra coin from the Royal Australian Mint. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, don't forget to leave me a like if you have enjoyed this content. And don't forget to hit that share and subscribe buttons if you have not done so. As always, from all my animal friends here, I wish you all well. Please take care, be safe, and have a nice day.